Over 60? Sore knees? Try these 3 joint-soothing teas to help ease pain and improve mobility, without pills or costly supplements. Stay until the end for a quick 60-second knee circulation reset you can do sitting in a chair. Knees tend to stiffen with age, morning tightness, soreness after climbing stairs, and occasional swelling by evening. With so many tea options, it can be confusing or expensive to choose. Good news, you don't need boutique blends to support healthier knees. Affordable teas, when chosen and brewed properly, can support joint comfort and mobility as effectively as pricey specialty blends. I've researched senior mobility and recovery strategies for over 3 years. Today, I'll share a ranked list of teas, all under $3 per serving, along with how to brew them and the best time to drink. Counting down from number 3 to number 1, for each tea, why it works, cost, brewing tips, and important cautions. Then, the 60-second knee circulation reset you can do anywhere. Number 3, turmeric plus ginger plus black pepper, morning. Price: about 30 cents to 60 cents per cup, using common spices you likely already have. Why it works: curcumin in turmeric and gingerols in ginger support a balanced inflammatory response related to joint comfort. Piperine from black pepper enhances curcumin absorption. Evidence mention: research links these compounds to reduced joint discomfort and improved function in older adults. How to use recipe: 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, or 2 to 3 centimeters fresh turmeric root, 5 to 7 fresh ginger slices, 250 to 300 milliliters hot water. Steep 10 minutes, pinch of black pepper. Optional, half teaspoon milk or coconut oil to improve absorption. Lemon or honey to taste. Tip: caution: if on blood thinners, have gallbladder issues, or experience acid reflux, consult your healthcare provider before use. Number 2, rosehip, late morning, early afternoon. Price: about 30 cents to 70 cents per cup, bulk dried rose hips. Why it works: rich in vitamin C and polyphenols that support antioxidant defenses and joint comfort, helping maintain mobility. Evidence mention: studies show regular rosehip consumption may reduce joint pain and improve daily function. How to use recipe: lightly crush 2 teaspoons dried rosehips, 250 milliliters hot water. Steep 12 to 15 minutes. Strain well. Optional, slice of orange for flavor. Tip: caution: if you have a history of kidney stones or sensitive digestion, check first with your clinician. Number 1, nettle leaf, evening, caffeine-free. Price: about 20 cents to 50 cents per cup, bulk dried nettle. Why it works: traditional use and preliminary studies indicate nettle contains anti-inflammatory compounds and minerals, e.g., magnesium, that support muscle relaxation and joint comfort toward day's end. How to use recipe: 1 to 2 teaspoons dried nettle leaf, 250 milliliters hot water. Steep 8 to 10 minutes. Optional, lemon or mint. Tip: caution: if on blood pressure or diuretic medications or have kidney issues, consult your healthcare provider before use. Bonus absorption tip for turmeric: always add black pepper and a small amount of fat, like milk or coconut oil, to maximize curcumin bioavailability. Value reframe/budget strategy: you don't need premium diets or luxury tea blends to support joint health. Buying simple bulk herbs and spices from the budget aisle can save money while delivering consistent benefits. Simple action plan: this week, pick any 2 teas to include. Morning, turmeric plus ginger, with black pepper and a tiny fat. Late morning, rosehip before a short walk. Evening, nettle for relaxation and joint comfort. Remember, consistency beats intensity. 60-second knee circulation reset, chair. Ankle pumps 20 each side. Activates calf muscle pump. Heel slides 10 each leg. Slide foot forward and back while seated within a comfortable range. Sit to stand times 5. Use chair arms if needed. Move slowly and maintain good posture. Stop if pain increases. Mild warmth or gentle sensation is normal. Comment below which tea you'll try first, morning, midday, or evening. Like, subscribe, and share with anyone who wants happier, healthier knees. Lower third, educational only. Consult your healthcare provider regarding medications or allergies.